In Syria's major port city of Latakia, the sound of airstrikes thunder in the distance as fireballs light up the night sky. This is the result of Israeli missiles, according to Syrian state media. The Syrian government also reports that residential buildings, a hospital, shops, and containers were all damaged in the attack. Details that could not be independently verified. The port of Latakia is in the west of the country and handles most of Syria's imports. This is the second reported Israeli airstrike there this month. The earlier attack happened on December 7th and also targeted the container facility. It was reported to be the first on the facility since the start of the war in Syria in 2011. His missile strikes on Latakia were larger than the previous ones. Israel's military has not commented on either of the airstrikes, but it has previously confirmed conducting raids against Iranian targets inside Syria. Mohammed Jamjoom, Al Jazeera.